Hey, it's Mike Vlasveld from the Blackburn radio newsroom, and as you can see, I'm out here kind of post-Snowmageddon, even though it's still snowing pretty hard outside right now. I'm just down here on a residential street right off of Wyandotte, and as you can see, these streets haven't been plowed yet, just like most of Windsor's streets right now. There's kind of just one lane where the cars have been driving, and let me tell you, I can't even really walk down these streets. It's pretty much pure ice underneath, so driving can be tricky, that's for sure.